UMP Bamarway ke Raja Sabha ke Jela u Dr. WR Kharlukhi ula Ther tyngeh ke National Green Tribunal NGT halor ke jingkynnoh le arsap batong ba unsara ya kan ikaman banyak keren hapo ke yang dorbar parliament. U Dr. Kharlukhi u Badiru u Presiden Barim ke National People's Party NPP ke Jela ula keno ba ke NGT ke la pulam benle AA halor ki khubor ki bayade ba ke jingyap jong ki priu na ki jingpang ki bami na ka jingjabo kal air balapan mi da ki karkhana Henry ka pen keloy ben shimkhya tang ha ka bayade ba ka jingpanjabo ya ka maryang ngan sawanra da 0 hour notice hapo parliament hoot ka NGT ka persya bha halor ka kamti doyong be an ha ka jela kilaya le persya e ki briu jongi bat kalakta jor bhai ki nongti doyong ki barit barya Henry ka ka bapen kendit yang kalong halor ka khubor ka bami ha ka the Hindu ka baong bada ki million ngut ki briu ki yap namar ka jingpen mi yak ler jabo da ki karkhana ayu ka NGT kalale halor kani bun ki metro ki la syak ta jor namar kani ngan sara banyak kerenya kani kamat hapo parliament namar kani hanga hi ka de ka jingtrekam ka ba arsap ong UMP habakren syakilat pathai kubor ha ka singin ningkong Ki beriu jongi kala syak ta jor na ka jingkhang ti doyong jong ka NGT na du usnam arjar khatsau khamtam namar ka kamti doyong kade kalat kamai jakpo mentala palat subhouse nam Henry Kansan la shukhang dam no ula ong da ka babenram omtang baklakta ya ka kamai kaji jong ki hajar ngot ki beriu Henry kalakta jorru ya ka jingyo lum khajana jong ka jela bat ki autonomous district council ADC Kay ka bapenlingo yang kalong balay bak NGT kamshumlale AA persya ya ki karkhana ki balapau syai ha ka the Hindu bada ki million ngot ki beriu ki layap na ki jingpang ki bami na ka jingjabo balapen mi da ki karkhana ula benram habak keli uni UMP ula ong POE baki ong baka jingti doyong thliu knai rat hole mining kakta ya ka maryang Henry ka jingpen jabo balapen mi da ki karkhana kalakta ya ka jing imbrio Kumta, hatu ka jing imbriu kamlong ka bakongsan, ngasngo ba ka jing im kibriu kade ka bakongsan kum ka maryang. Henry ka ka bangamot banong, kalong ba ki day banwat benya balay ba ka jing ti doyong kakta ikiwa. Ula beteng ru da ka baong, baha ka jing sngo ka jongu, kiwa ki kala jaklia namar ka jing penhap doyong day na ka jing ti doyong. Ula banjor ru halor ka jing don kam bandon ka jaka ka babyang ban penhap ya udoyong, kenang menpentik na baka acid na udoyong kan yo lat bentut syakiwa.
I'm going to bring a no 0 hours in Parliament. Yes, the NGT, they're very much against the illegal coal mining in the state. They're going after our people, and it affected those small coal miners. What shocked me is that the news that came up in Hindus. Millions of people are dying because of pollution, because of the big industrialists, because of heavy industry. People are dying by millions. What have the NGT done for that? Many of the metros were affected by this. It came out in the Hindus recently. What they have done? They should not. To me, I feel I'm going to raise this in Parliament. This is to me a double standard. Our people have been affected. Coal was their livelihood. For 4 decades, they have been living on coal. All of a sudden, it's banned. And whom it affect? It affects those who are earning their livelihood from there. It affects the revenue of the state. It affects the district council. What shocked me is, why they're not doing anything on the big industrialists, who is very clear in Hindu that millions of people are dying because of pollution-related disease. You see, illegal rat hole mining, what they said is that it affected the environment. But pollution by heavy industrialists affected human being, which means human life is not important. I feel human life is also important, just as environment. But the thing is, what I'm seeing is that they should make a study why this like the coal, why it affected the rivers and all this. To me, it is because that while taking the coal out, and when they dump it, there is no they should have a place where at least cemented building are made so that trucks can go there, so that even when rain comes, it doesn't go to that thing. So they should stop just dumping of coal everywhere. That's the only thing. It is not mining. To me, it's not mining. It is the dumping of coal which affected the rivers. The thing, the way they're saying it, it is there. And to me, we have to survive too. One problem. Now you stop coal. You see recently the arrest in Syllad about drugs and all this. What I'm afraid is that suppose it goes into drugs, what happens? It may affect the whole of Northeast, no? So they should also think. It's easy, but make a study how far it impacts the people. I'll tell you, I came from my district, Giant Hills is a mining district. I'm for my people, and that's why I'm saying why this double standard.